Okay, so this is a Data East version 3 MPU. Came out of a Baywatch, but I've got my Simpsons ROMs installed here on the board just so we can fully test this. What I did is we already had NVRAM installed, but I went ahead and replaced the socket. We've got a SIP socket in there, which matches up to the machine pin headers that were used there on the NVRAM. Swapped out the 6802 socket as well as the game ROM socket. We replaced the 47 UF capacitor as well as the 470, and I've got those bent over just in case if these ever leak. You can see it beforehand or get to it in a reasonable time. Also replaced the power input header here on the board, and everything checks out on this, so we'll go ahead and get it booted up. And move that wire out of the way. And we've got the lamp matrix dancing, and no coils locked on, so that's a good thing. And then we get the flipper relay enable. And go through, get in a test. I don't have the soundboard connected because that's for Baywatch, which I don't have a DMD driver or the correct DMD here for that game. So I've got Simpsons ROMs installed because that fully test the boards here, all the display data, everything else. Sorry, I'm trying to click these buttons without looking. And so all 64 switches are working. None of them are active. And lamp test. Get our notorious DE display of all the lamps. And then into the rows and columns. And into single lamps. So that went backwards because I had that clicked in. And then, let's see, the flashers. And those are all working. And into these solenoids. So testing both A side and B side of the solenoids. And solenoid, what is that, 5 does not have a B side select. To the specials, and on Baywatch the switch inputs are not utilized, but we can still test those and see that those are working fully. And so that concludes the test there. Everything is 100% working here on this MPU, so thank you so much. Here is the board with
Baywatch will be right back.
Baywatch ROMs installed. So we'll go ahead and show. It's looking for a ball right now. And there we are, fully booted. So again, I don't have the correct display here for this specific game, but with testing with Simpsons ROMs, it tests the board 100%. So there you are. Thank you so much.